content is produced by Accessible Learning Hub. For more helpful tutorial, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's go learning.
Hey guys, welcome back to Accessible Learning Hub, inclusive learning for all. This is the voice of Afolabi Wonder. I will guide you on how to transfer files between your phone and your computer using a USB cable. The first thing you need to do, you need to let your phone to be connected to your computer. Then, after you have connect your USB cord to your computer and to your phone, this is what you are going to do. You need to go to your phone settings.
Home button.
So let me go to my phone settings.
Home, AZ.
Listen attentively.
2 up, 1 WhatsApp, a Z menu, 1 WhatsApp, 2 phone, 3 messages, 4 WhatsApp business, 2 update, 2 row, 2 column settings.
So these settings.
Settings.
Then I will swipe.
Settings. Search settings. Log into Techno ID. My phone Techno Pop 7. SIM and network settings. Wi-Fi. Hotspot and tethering. More connections.
You can hear more connection. Then I will click on it.
More connections.
Then I will swipe.
Navigate up button. More connections. Button. Bluetooth closed. Airplane mode closed. Cast closed. Other connection. VPN. Private DNS automatic. USB charging this device.
You can hear USB charging this device. I will click on it.
USB preferences.
Then I will swipe.
Navigate up button. USB preferences. Button. USB. Use USB 4.
You can hear use USB 4.
Unchecked file transfer.
Uncheck file transfer. So this file transfer needs to be checked. So that will confirm. If I click on it now, I will get a notification that my phone is connected successfully to my computer. So let me click on it.
Check USB file transfer.
You can hear a sound. So my screen reader will announce to me now.
New notification from autoplay Techno Pop 7. Select to choose what happens with this device. One of one window.
The thing I'm going to show you now is how to transfer file from your phone to your computer. So this is what you are going to do. Firstly, you need to go to your desktop if you are using Windows 10, if you have this PC. But I'm going to go through my start menu. So I'll press my Windows key.
Start window, search box edit blank.
Then I will type THIS.
This PC system. Press right to view options.
So you can hear this PC. Then I will hit my enter key.
This PC window. Items view list. Folders grouping expanded. 3D objects not selected. Row 1 column 1 of 9.
So the name of my phone is Techno Pop 7. So let me make use of my first letter navigation by pressing letter T.
Devices and drives grouping expanded. Techno Pop 7 row 1 column 1 of 9.
You can hear Techno Pop 7 and I will hit my enter key.
Enter. Items view list. Internal shared storage not selected. Row 1 column 1 of 2.
So now I have internal storage and also I have my memory card, SD card on my phone. So now it depends on you. Where do you want to transfer the file from? Is it from your internal storage or is from your SD card? So I'm going to transfer it from my SD card. So let me press my right arrow key.
Right arrow, SanDisk SD card column 2 of 2.
You can hear SanDisk SD card on column 2. So I will hit my enter key here.
Numbered enter. Items view list. Pictures not selected. Row 1 column 3 of 6.
So
pictures not selected. Row 7 column 119 of 51.
So these are folder inside my SD card. So let me press my end key because I have a file under my SD card.
N. Windows Screen Reader Primer Second Edition. Zip row 11 column 351 of
So
51.
you can hear Windows. Windows. Let me hear again.
Up arrow, down arrow. Windows Screen Reader Primer Second Edition.
Okay, you can hear Windows Primer Second Edition. So I will just press my Ctrl C for copy.
CTRL+C.
Ctrl C. I'm using NVDA, so don't worry, but I press my Ctrl C. You can see that you did not hear anything like copy, but if it is just, you will hear copy, but that did not mean anything. So now I will go to my file explorer by pressing my Windows E.
Windows+E. File Explorer window. Items view list. Frequent folders grouping expanded. Desktop not selected 1 of 28.
So I have various folder here. I have desktop folder, document folder, and some other folder, but I want to copy that particular file into my desktop. So let me hit my enter.
Enter. Items view list. Gold Wave V6.80 not selected.
So I have another folder called my folder. So inside my desktop folder, I have another folder called my folder. So I want to paste that file.
Microsoft Toolkit 2.7.36
I'm making use of my first letter and application.
My folder 7 of 57.
You can hear my folder 7 of 57. Then I'll hit my enter key.
Items view list. Computer not selected.
Then I can just paste it here by pressing my Ctrl V.
CTRL+V. But my folder window. Items view list. Windows Screen Reader Primer Second Edition. Zip 12 of 12.
So that file is there now on my computer system. So to copy from my computer to my phone, that's very easy. So let me look for the file I want to
Alt plus
copy.
left arrow. Items view list.
I'm
my
going
folder
by
7 of 57. Down arrow. New folder 8 of 57. Down arrow. Sample file 9 of 57.
Okay. Let me copy something from my picture.
Pictures 4 of 28.
And let me hit my enter key.
Enter. Pictures. Items view list. Camera roll not selected. Row 1 column 1.
Use my first letter navigation because what I'm looking for starts from letter L.
Learn 2.mp4. Learn 3.mp. Learn how to clean up your computer drives at Afolabi1.mp4.
So learn how to clean up your computer drive. That's what I want to copy. Then I will press my Ctrl C again.
CTRL+C.
Ctrl C. So note, this PC is still running. So to switch to that particular region, I'll press my Alt tab.
Alt plus tab. SanDisk SD card window. Items view list. Windows screen.
So you can hear SanDisk SD card window, but I'm not going to paste this file inside my SD card. I want to paste it on my internal storage. So let me press my backspace or Alt left arrow to go back.
Alt plus left arrow. Items view list. SanDisk SD card row 1 column 2 of 2.
You can hear. So let me press my left arrow.
Left arrow. Internal shared storage.
You can hear
1 of 2.
Internal storage. Then I'll hit my enter key.
Enter. Items view list. Pictures not selected. Row 9.
So I want to paste it inside my Android folder. Let me press letter A.
Accessible. Afolabi. All round games. RSA. Insert. Android row 1 column 3.
You can hear Android. Then I'll hit my enter key here.
Enter. Items view list. Data not selected.
So I'm on my Android folder, so I can just paste it by just pressing my Ctrl V.
CTRL+V.
So
copying dialog. Learn how to clean up your computer. Android window. Items view list. Data not selected. 2 of 30.
Is there now on my phone. So before you can't just remove the USB cable anyhow. So first thing you need to do, you need to close this Windows by pressing your F4.
Alt plus F4. Pictures window. Items view.
Then press your Windows B.
Wind notification chevron button.
Then you press your space bar. Then you can either press your down arrow key or up arrow key, but I'm going to press my up arrow key.
Overflow notification area toolbar 90%. Up arrow. Op studio button. Up arrow. NVDA button. Up arrow. Safely remove hardware and eject media button.
You can here safely remove hardware and eject. So I will hit my enter key.
Numpad enter. Back context menu.
Then press the down arrow.
Down arrow. Open devices and printers O.
Down arrow.
Down arrow. Eject Techno Pop 7E.
You can here inject Techno Pop 7E. Then I'll use my enter key.
Battery meter. New notification from Windows Explorer. Safe to remove hardware. The USB composite device can now be safely removed from the computer. 101 window.
So that's how you can transfer file between your computer and your phone. For more helpful tutorial, kindly like, share and comment. Watch out for